Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, as you know that we have completed our GK syllabus and now we are going to start with the revision once again, so that if you are left over with any chapter previously, so you can complete it now, or you can revise it now if you have already done. Okay, so now today again we are going to start with the first unit, that is the natural world. Okay, so class, kindly open your books at page number 8, that is Wonder Birds. That is the first chapter of our GK syllabus. Okay, so open your books at page number 8, that is Wonder Birds. I'll just write down the name of the topic, that is Wonder Birds, given at page number 8. So this is the topic, Wonder Birds, given at page number 8. So class, kindly open your books at page number 8, that is Wonder Birds. Okay, so let's start with the heading. Birds have some very quickly features. Guess the name of the birds by using the clues given. Okay, so as you know, there are different kinds of the birds that exist in this world and every bird has its own feature, unique features. Okay, so आज हम कुछ अलग अलग birds के बारे में बात करेंगे. Okay, so starting with the first one, these birds are distinguished by their large, brightly colored, triangular beaks. This had led some to term the bottlenose or sea parrot. They are excellent swimmers who use their wings to stroke underwater with a flying motion. So the first word we are talking about, that is these birds are distinguished by their large, brightly colored triangular beaks. So these birds have large and triangular shaped beaks and the color of the beaks is very bright. Bright means ऐसे कलर्स जो कहते हैं ना आई कैचर कलर्स होते हैं, उनको ब्राइट कलर्स बोलते हैं. ओके, जस्ट लाइक आई एम वेयरिंग द ऑरेंज राइट नाउ, इट्स अ आई कैचर. ठीक है, एक सॉबर होता है जो कि एनवायरनमेंट के साथ ही मिक्स हो जाता है, बट देयर आर सम कलर्स दैट आर आई कैचर, कि अगर आप दूर से भी देखोगे तो आपको पता लग जाएगा कि हाँ वो कलर है. सपोज समवन इज वेयरिंग अ येलो एंड white and they are standing very far from you, and at the same distance someone is wearing the orange one also. Okay, तो आपको orange वाला easily click होगा other than the yellow and the white. Okay, so these are eye catcher colors. So just like that, this bird has brightly colored beak. इसकी एक bright color की beak है. Okay, triangular shape की beak है. Okay, and इस bird को sea parrot और bottlenose भी बोला जाता है. Okay, and these are very excellent swimmers. They can swim very well. Okay, and they can just make stroke. मतलब how they can swim very well. They can stroke backstroke. वो backstroke swimming बहुत अच्छी करते हैं. With the help of their wings, they can backstroke the water at the very high speed. तो बहुत ही तेज़ी से जो पानी को अपनी backstroke की से अपनी wings की help से पीछे को कहते हैं स्विमर्स जो बैक स्ट्रोक करते हैं, सो दे कैन डू दैट वेरी इजली एंड वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली. सो दैट्स वाई दे आर नोन एज दे आर वन ऑफ द गुड स्विमर्स एज वेल. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दीज बर्ड्स? सो द नेम ऑफ दीज बर्ड्स इज puffins. द नेम ऑफ दीज बर्ड्स इज puffins. द स्पेलिंग इज PUFFINS. द फर्स्ट वर्ड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज puffins. PUFFINS. Puffins are the birds. Okay, they are known as sea parrots as well, and the bottlenose birds. These are the two other names of these puffins. Okay, and they are the very excellent swimmers and they can swim underwater very well. Okay, so the name of the bird is puffins. Now moving next to the second one, these large birds use their large elastic pouches to catch fish. Most species form a line or a U shape and drive fish into the shallow water by beating their wings on the surface. When fish get to the shallow, they simply scoop them up. Okay, so next bird जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is a pelican. That is a pelican. So what is pelican? Pelican क्या होती है बेटा? That bird has a beak. Okay, इसकी एक जो beak होती है, like this is a beak. Okay, and the lower part of the beak, ये एक when they swallow fish, तो वो fish के बीच के मतलब वो जो इनका जो नीचे का पोर्शन होता है वो इतना बड़ा हो जाता है कि मतलब वो जितनी बड़ी फिश होती है उसके साइज के हिसाब से दे कैन जस्ट एक्सपेंड इट लाइक अ रबर, जैसे कि इलास्टिक के हम एक्सपेंड कर सकते हो. जस्ट लाइक दैट दे जस्ट मेक अ पाउच, एक पाउच की तरह, एक थैले की तरह अपना जो नीचे का पोर्शन है उसको खोल लेती है बड़ी से बड़ी फिश. नॉट लाइक वेल्स एंड शार्क्स, बट मतलब दे कैन स्वेलो अ बिग फिश इजिली. ओके, सो वो क्या करती हैं, व्हेन दे सर्च फॉर देयर फूड, दे जस्ट पुट डाउन देयर बीक एंड अपने विंग्स को दे थोड़ा हिलाती हैं. सो व्हाट इट हैपेंस देन द फिशेज व्हेन दे हर्ड दिस साउंड या कुछ भी उसको लगता है कोई दाना डाल रहा है, सो व्हेन दे कैच द फिश, व्हेन द फिश, जब कोई फिश आती है, सो व्हेन दे जस्ट पुट देयर बीक इनसाइड द वाटर एंड देन दे pick out the fish. Okay, and then they make a pouch from their mouth, from the lower part of their beak. जो इसका लोअर पार्ट है यहाँ से चिन से यू कैन से, सो इससे एक बहुत बड़ा पाउच होता है एंड दे कैन ईजिली पुट दैट फिश इनटू इट. और वो बड़ी सी बड़ी फिश मतलब एक वो पाउच की शेप ले लेता है, एक थैले की शेप ले लेता है एंड दे जस्ट क्लोज देयर माउथ एंड देन दे जस्ट पिक देयर माउथ अप एंड दे जस्ट swallow the whole fish into their body. Okay, so this is how this pelicans they feed fish, so this is how this pelican they catch the fish. So जो इनका नीचे जो पाउच है वो उसकी एक U shape हो जाती है. Just because of that U shape they can U shape pouch they can catch a big fish easily. Okay, so these fishes are pelican. So these birds are pelican. Pelican. So these are pelican. Pelican. These are pelican. Moving next to the third one. These birds are found in the American tropical forest. Their oversized, colorful bills can be 1/3 of their total length. The birds use them to reach fruits on branches that are too small to support their weight. Okay, so the next जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, the next bird we are talking about, that is a toucan. So that is a toucan. The spelling of the toucan is Toucan. So what is that toucan? The toucan is like a bird. The length of its beak. The first thing about the bill, actually it's not a beak, इसको bill बोला जाता है. मतलब एक bill क्या होता है, it's just like a beak, but at the end they are having this like of structure at the end of their beak. So that's why they are known as the bills. इनको bills बोला जाता है. And what is the use of that beak and what is the speciality of that bills of the toucan? So what is the speciality is, the first thing is that the size of their bills is 1/3 of their the size of their body. जो उनकी बॉडी का 1/3 साइज है, उतने साइज की तो सिर्फ इनके बिल्स हो. द साइज ऑफ द बिल्स ऑफ द टोकन इज 1/3 ऑफ द साइज ऑफ देयर बॉडी. ओके, टोटल ऑफ देयर लेंथ, जो उनकी टोटल लेंथ है उसका 1/3 तो उनकी उतनी लंबी. तो द सेकेंड थिंग इज अबाउट देयर बिल इज दैट दे आर वेरी कलरफुल. ब्राइट कलर की जो इनकी बीक्स, जो इनके बिल्स होते हैं, दैट आर वेरी bright in color. The next thing is, with the help of their bills that are having this arc like structure at the end, so they can मतलब जो छोटे से छोटा फूड जो कि और छोटी से छोटी ब्रांचेस जिसके ऊपर ये नहीं बैठ सकते, तो वो अपने बिल्स की हेल्प से मतलब अपना इसके ऊपर मतलब एक उसको फंसा के दे कैन ईजिली फीड ऑन एनी फ्रूट, दे कैन सिट ऑन एनी ब्रांच, मतलब जिसके ऊपर वो इजीली नहीं कर बैठ सकती, तो with the help of their bills they can do that easily. Okay, so these birds are found in the American tropical forest. तो ये birds कहाँ पाई जाती हैं? अमेरिका के tropical forest में. Their oversized colorful bills can be 1/3 of their total length. और जो इनकी जो oversized जो colorful bills है, colorfuls मतलब मैंने आपको बताया, as you can see in the picture, there is a bird, black bird that is having a green, yellow and red bill. Okay, the size is very unique, as well as the color of their bills is very unique. The size of their bill is 1/3 the length of is the size of their bill is 1/3 of their length. Okay, and the bird use them to reach fruits or branches that are too small to support their weight. और इसी बिल्स की सहायता से ये अपने की हेल्प से ये जो फ्रूट्स हैं और जो ब्रांचेस है जिसपे ऊपर ये इजीली नहीं बैठ सकती है, जिसको ये इजीली कैच नहीं कर सकती, इन बिल्स की सहायता की हेल्प से ये उसको इजीली अपना सपोर्ट करती है. सो दीज बिल्स सपोर्ट देम व्हेन दे फीड ऑन द स्मॉल ब्रांचेस और द स्मॉल फ्रूट्स. ओके, सो द आंसर ऑफ द थर्ड ब्लैंक इज टोकन. स्पेलिंग इज TOUCAN. TOUCAN, that is token. Okay, moving next to the fourth one. These long-necked large birds are tall and live in the fresh water or wetlands and swamps. They can be identified by their long legs, brightly colorful featherless heads and prominent bills. So the next bird जिसकी हम बात करें, we are talking about the storks. We are talking about a bird whose name is stork. So what is this stork? ये stork क्या है? This is a long necked large bird. ये एक लंबी गर्दन वाली एक बड़ी सी bird है. So this bird, the stork is a very this stork is a big bird with a long neck. Okay, and live in fresh water or the wetlands. और ये fresh water या फिर जहाँ पे wetlands जहाँ पे पानी होता है ये वहीं रहती हैं. Okay, so they lives in the fresh water or in the wetlands or the swamps. They can be identified by their long legs. ठीक है, इनको identify करना easy है. With their long legs, brightly colorful featherless head. So इनका जो head है वो colorful होता है, but they doesn't have any feather on it. Okay, they are having the featherless head with brightly color. So their head is bright in color, but they don't have feathers on their head. And they have prominent bills as well. तो इनकी जो bills हैं, इनके पास भी bills हैं and they are very prominent. Okay, so they make very proper use of their bills as well. So what is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is stork. Okay, so these are large storks are the large birds with long necks, with long legs as well. And these birds, they don't have feathers on their head, but their head is very brightly colored, as well as they have featherless heads and they have prominent bills as well. So their bills are also very prominent. So the name of this bird is stork. So the name of this bird is stork. STROK. That is stork. Okay, so these are the answers of page number 8. The first one is the puffins. Second is the pelican, third is the toucan, and the fourth one is the stork. Okay, chaliye moving next to the next page, that is page number 9, furry friends. So the next topic we are going to talk about the furry friends. Okay, so I'll just change the page number and the topic. That is page number 9, furry friends. FURRY, furry friends, given at page number 9. Okay, so now we are going to talk about some animals. अभी तक हमने कुछ birds के बारे में बात की. But now we are going to start. So we are going to talk about some of the animals, where they feed, how they look, what is their habitat, and many other things. Okay. So let's begin with the first one. Write the name of these animals. You can pick the answers from the help box. So starting with the first one. Reared for milk, hide, and also as a pack animal in the Tibet. So the next so the first animal जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is an animal that is reared in तिब्बत. तो तिब्बत आपने जगह का नाम सुना है कि तिब्बत इज तिब्बतियन लोग हैं जो क्या करते हैं. तो तिब्बतियंस दे रियर, मतलब वो इस एनिमल का दूध, दे रियर देयर मिल्क. ओके, ये उनका एक मतलब दे मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ देयर वर्क दे डू through this animal, because the other cattle they can't survive according to their geographical areas. So there are certain animals that survive in the different areas. So अलग अलग areas में अगर आप सोचिए कि the penguin can survive in this hot weather, so it will never survive. So there are certain animals, हर animal की अपनी habitat होता है जहाँ पे वो survive कर पाता है. So just like in the Tibetan, the environment is different. In the Tibet, the environment is different. So there a cattle, you can say, or you can say an animal is reared for the milk, for the hide. Okay, and the people, they for them it work as a पैक ऑफ एनिमल के, मतलब वो बहुत सारे काम के लिए उस एनिमल को यूज़ करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दैट एनिमल? द नेम ऑफ दैट एनिमल इज़ याक. याक आपने देखा होगा, इफ़ यू हैव विजिटेड टू शिमला, स्पेशली इन शिमला पीपल क्लिक पिक्चर्स व्हाइल सिटिंग ऑन द याक. ओके, सो दैट इज़ याक. एक ब्लैक कलर का बफलो की मतलब बहुत बड़ा होता है, एंड दे आर हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ फर on their body. So that is a yak. So that is yak. So this is the answer of the first question. That is yak. Y-A-K, yak. The first animal we are talking about is yak. Y-A-K, yak. Second one, solitary plant-eating animal with a short trunk found in the tropical forest of Malaysia and the America. So the next animal जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, we are talking about, that is a short trunk found, that is a plant eating animal. Okay, that is a plant eating animal and it looks like a pig. वो एक pig की तरह नज़र आता है. ओके, एंड इसकी एक छोटी सी सूंड होती है, यू कैन से जस्ट लाइक अ पिग का थोड़ा सा माउथ थोड़ा सा ऐसा होता है ना. सो दैट यू कैन से okay, so it looks like a pig. Okay, and this is a solely plant eating animal. ये plants खाता है. Okay, and other than that these animals are found in the tropical forest. तो ये मलेशिया और अमेरिका की ट्रॉपिकल जो फॉरेस्ट हैं वहाँ पे पाया जाता है. So the habitat of this animal is in the tropical forest of Malaysia and the America. So what is the name of this animal? So the name of this animal is tapir. So the name of this animal is tapir. The spelling is T-A-P-I-R. Tapir. So tapir is an animal that looks like a pig, that has a small trunk. Okay, and that is completely a plant eating animal. Okay, that doesn't feed on flesh. Okay, so what is the name of that animal? Okay, the one important thing that this animal can be found in Malaysia and the American tropical forests only. Okay, so the answer is tapir. The spelling is T-A-P-I-R, tapir. Okay, moving next to the third one. Acrobatic mammal found in Southeast Asia with a human-like build and no tail. So the next animal जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, they look like humans. Okay, as you know that we have ancestors. The animals were one of the animal chimpanzee. हमारे जो ancestors थे, they were monkeys. Okay, so this animal that we are talking about, they look like animals. They look like human beings. Okay, and These are mammals, okay? They give birth to the young ones, they feed their babies, okay? So these are the acrobatic mammals, and these animals are found in Southeast Asia. ये animals कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? Southeast Asia में, okay? And they have human body built like a human beings and has no tail, and they don't have even tails, okay? So what is the name of this animal? So the name of this animal is gibbon. So the name of this animal is gibbon. Gibbon. So this gibbon, it is believed that they look like animals. Actually they look like, as you can see in the picture, in the third picture, you can see the face of the gibbon, okay? Somehow it is looking like a monkey, and you know our ancestors were monkeys, ओके सो ये देखिए मंकी है, और जो इनकी जो बॉडी की मूवमेंट्स हैं, जो इनका बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर है, ओके, दे टोटली लुक लाइक द ह्यूमन बींग्स. तो वो इंसानों की तरह न कहा जाता है, इसलिए इसको एक एक्रोबैटिक मैमल बोला जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज द एक्रोबैटिक मैमल्स, एंड दीज एनिमल्स आर फाउंड इन साउथ ईस्ट एशिया. जो ये एनिमल्स है ये कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? ये साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में पाए जाते हैं, ओके? एंड दे डोंट हैव टेल्स इवन. So they even don't have tails. इनकी पूंछ भी नहीं होती. So what is the name of this animal? The name of this animal is gibbon. The spelling is Gibbon. Okay, I have written spelling Gibbon. That is gibbon. Okay, and these are the acrobatic mammals, and they are found in Southeast Asia. Next one is the fourth one. Native to the northern hemisphere, a small, discrete and often nocturnal amphibious animal that is valued for its luxurious fur. Okay, so the next animal जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, okay, ये कहाँ का native है? Native means that these animals are found in the northern hemisphere. So hemisphere, जो अर्थ का हाफ पार्ट, अगर हम अर्थ को बीच में से पार्ट कर दें, तो जो ऊपर का पार्ट है दैट इज द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द ग्लोब और द अर्थ यू कैन से दैट इज द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. सो द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर के ये दीज आर द नेटिव्स ऑफ नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. तो ये नॉर्दर्न पार्ट में जो हमारे वर्ल्ड का है, ग्लोब का है, जहाँ पे वो कंट्रीज वहाँ पे पाया जाता है, ओके? और ये अपने आप में ही बहुत ही महंगे जानवर हैं, ओके? सो इनको बहुत ही just because of their fur, okay? So these are the very special and the you can say the luxurious animals बोला जाता है इनको, because they are having the fur that is very costly. जो इनकी बॉडी पे फर होता है that is very costly, and आपने सुना भी होगा that is, okay, वो एक सबसे महंगा फर माना जाता है, that is mink. The name of the animal is mink, and आपने सुना होगा मिंक के कुछ फर भी होते हैं, ब्लैंकेट्स आपने स्पेशली सुना होगा. द ब्लैंकेट्स दैट आर मेड फ्रॉम द मिंक फर आर वेरी कॉस्टली. दे आर लग्जूरियस, कहते हैं जो लग्जूरियस ब्लैंकेट्स होते हैं दैट आर मेड फ्रॉम द फर ऑफ दिस मिंक ओनली, ओके? सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेरी special, or you can say, or this is one of the very expensive animal, okay? And actually the animal is not expensive, the fur is very expensive, okay? So that's why this okay, so this mink is a small, and it is a very small, okay? As you can see in the fourth picture, okay, fourth picture में देखिए आपको you can see the picture of a mink, okay? ये छोटे से होते हैं, and ये एम्फीबियंस होते हैं, एंड अदर देन दैट दे आर हैविंग द वेरी लग्जूरियस फर, ओके? सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर बीइंग टेल्ड बाय द पीपल टाइम टू टाइम फॉर देयर फर, ओके? सो द नेम ऑफ द एनिमल इज मिंक. द स्पेलिंग इज MINK, मिंक, MINK, मिंक, ओके? सो the blanket or any garment made from the mink fur is very costly as compared to the other ones, okay? Now moving next to the fifth one, that is largest of South America's big cats that are quite good swimmers. So the next animal we are talking about, these animals are found in the South America, and these are quite good swimmers. So these are very good swimmers as well. So these animals are found in the South America. Okay, so big cats again. So big cats family. So the animals, which animals are belong to the big cat, just like जो कैट्स की तरह दिखती हैं उनको बिग कैट, उनको कैट एनिमल, जैसे कि हम लोग बात करें लिजर्ड की, एलिगेटर्स हो गए, मगरमच्छ हो गए, एंड गिरगिट हो गए. सो दीज ऑल आर फ्रॉम द फैमिली ऑफ द लिजर्ड्स. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट द कैट्स की फैमिली से द टाइगर, द लेपर्ड, द पैंथर, दे ऑल बिलोंग फ्रॉम द बिग कैट्स फैमिली. सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट a South American we are talking about a member of a big cat family that is commonly found in the South America, and they are very good swimmers as well. Most of the animals, they are good swimmers, okay, but these are the one of the best swimmers. They are jaguar. इस नाम की आपने कार भी सुनी होगी. Okay, so these are jaguar. So jaguars are the very good swimmers. So the answer of the fifth one is jaguar. 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 Okay, so these are the answers from question number 1 to 5. Now moving next to the sixth one. The sixth one is recognized by the black mask across its eyes and the black bands ringing its bushy tail. So the next animal जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, so that animal has black mask around its mouth and around its eyes. So as you can see in the picture sixth picture given in your book, okay, so you can see an animal जिसकी eyes के पास black है, and they're having black mask near its nose as well, and जो इसकी जो tail होती है, वो जैसे suppose this is a tail है, इसके टेल पे थोड़ी थोड़ी दूर पे रिंग्स बने हुए हैं. सो दिस इज द द रिंग टेल. ओके, सो ये इसकी बुशी मतलब फर वाली टेल है, फर है इसकी टेल में, एंड दे हैव रिंग्स एट द प्रॉपर इंटरवल्स, सेम थोड़ी थोड़ी दूरी पे इसके जो रिंग्स बने हुए हैं टेल के ऊपर ब्लैक कलर से. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल? सो द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल इज raccoon. So the name of this animal is raccoon. Spelling is RACCOON. RACCOON. These are raccoon. So raccoon have bushy tails and they have rings on their tails, and they have black mask around their eyes. It looks like some mask around their eyes and their mouth. Next one is the omnivore animal with the humped shoulder and elevated forehead that feed on berries, plant roots and shoots and fish. So next animal जिसकी हम बात करें, that is having that's have a hump. Hump means जिसकी कुप होती है. So now I think you have remembered if you have seen the Jungle Book, उसमें there is an animal that is having a hump. So that the animal having the hump on its back, that is only bear and camel as well. तो ठीक है. सो जिसकी देखिए अब इसकी hump है इसकी बैक पे, ओके, एंड एलिवेटेड फोरहेड एंड फीड्स ऑन बेरीज. तो इसको खाने में क्या पसंद है? बेरीज, प्लांट्स, रूट्स, शूट्स एंड फिश, एंड अदर देन दैट हनी. So this animal is grizzly bear. The bears, they mostly love these berries, plant roots and the honey. Okay, and they have hump as well. So the name of the bear animal is grizzly bear. The spelling is GRIZZLY, grizzly bear. The last one is the largest member of the deer family found in the northern hemisphere. So जो deer की family का सबसे बड़ा member है ये, एंड ये कहाँ पाया है? नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. सो दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट मेंबर ऑफ द डियर फैमिली. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल? सो द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल इज मूज. मूज या एल्क, you can say, write both. So this is the largest member of deer family. Okay, so this was the topic given at page number 9. Okay, so with this I am just ending the session here only, class. I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.